How to turn on autoplay on Facebook on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can turn on autoplay on Facebook on Android, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to turn on autoplay on Facebook app on Android, open up the Facebook app, tap on the three lines option from the top right, then tap on the gear icon, which is the settings icon, which will basically take us to our settings page. Under settings we have different options, but you want to go to the option called media, and under media you can see autoplay. So under autoplay you can turn on mobile data and Wi-Fi, or on Wi-Fi only. If you select never autoplay, autoplay will be disabled, so you can select what you want to do over here, and this way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically turn on autoplay on Facebook. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.